In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to use Free Hit on Fantasy Premier League. Let's get started. First, launch your Fantasy Premier League app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Fantasy tab. Once you're over here, click on the option Transfers. Here you'll see your team information. If the Free Hit chip is available for you, this is where you will be able to activate it. Now choose the player you want to replace. Tap on it. Then tap on the option Select Replacement. Pick the new player you would like to bring in. Tap Next at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will see the Free Hit option. Tap Confirm. And your transfer will be applied successfully using your Free Hit chip. And that's it. You have now learned how to use the Free Hit on Fantasy Premier League. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.